Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2015 Honda 750 Shadow Aero. This has got the classic styling with the long fenders, beautiful metallic red and chrome, liquid cooled V-twin, fuel injection, shaft drive, super low seat height. It's like 25 inches. And this bike only has 545 miles on it. Come by, don't miss out. Price to sell just $54.99. Save $3,000 over the price of a new one. And this bike's only 545 miles. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com. For any given time, we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.